Make a great choice today with 2010 DTS. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release. Inside you'll find keyless entry, satellite radio, navigation from telematics, MP3 player, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.